Bringing you another service tip here for the Commander 200 chain adjustment. Tyson is here and we're going to show you the step-by-step method of how to adjust your chain. Of course, you can see it, we jacked it up off the wheels, allowing the axle to be more free. So go ahead, Tyson.
Okay, well, the first thing we need to do is we have to remove the chain guard, which has 2 bolts that are going to be in the side here when the chain guard is in place. So you need to remove these bolts. Those are have an 8mm head, so you use an 8mm wrench to remove those. The next thing we need to do is unlock the carrier here. In order to do that, we need to loosen these 2 bolts. One is a 12mm. The one on the top is a 12mm, and oh no, it's a 13. And then the one on the bottom is a 14 down here.
Okay, so correcting, what's the top?
The correct wrench on top is a 13mm, not a 12.
Okay, 13.
And so then you will just loosen these up to the point where they spin freely with your hand.
Okay.
I use this kitchen sink basket wrench that I got from Home Depot for about $9.
Okay.
And you use this hook right here.
Okay.
If you look on the carrier, right inside here, just on the inside of the ring gear, you'll see these notches that are in there.
Okay.
And so what you do is you take this wrench, you hook one of those, and then you stick a ratchet or a breaker bar on this guy right here. Come on. So that way, this right here will rotate it one direction.
Okay.
Or you may need to rotate the other direction, depending on how your bike is set up.
Okay, so once those 4 nuts are loose on the carrier, that mount the carrier and tighten the carrier axle, then it allows you
to rotate the carrier.
So whether you rotate the carrier there based on those notches, whether you rotate it counterclockwise or clockwise, it'll allow you to loosen or tighten it. And depending where the carrier is located, it'll depend whether you're going to turn it clockwise or counterclockwise, correct?
Yes. So the easiest thing to do to check is just to move it one direction, see if your chain gets tighter or looser, and depending on what you need to do, you move it in the proper direction.
Okay, so if they don't have this is like a typical plumbing tool. Now, the other tool is called a spanner tool in the ATV industry or the power sport industry, so you can use a spanner, you guys. Now, if you don't have that, then what else can you use here? If you guys are just at home?
Yep, if you're just looking for something that'll just work for the moment, you can take a mallet and a flathead screwdriver, jam it in there, and then you just beat the screwdriver to rotate the carrier until you get to the position here.
There you guys go. So you have different ways of doing this, you guys, based on the tools you have at home. And we like to keep it simple as possible, as user-friendly as possible as well, so you guys can adjust your chain. So the Blazer 9 is very similar in adjustment to this particular one, the Blazer 9 125. So this is the Commander, Apollo Commander 200. This is the chain adjustment tip. Hope you guys find this well. So like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.